triangles. That seems easy. How do you even do this? Are you kidding me? Hi.
Hey, Cassie. We heard you need some help with congruent triangles.
Yeah. Yes, and we're here to help you.
Well, Cassie, if you have two geometric figures that have exactly the same size and shape, then that means that they are congruent.
So, for two triangles to be congruent, they need to have congruent corresponding sides. Can you give me an example?
Okay, Cassie, here we have a set of congruent triangles. The slashes and arcs state that they are congruent to certain angles, or sides. The sideways carets mean they're parallel.
So, having said that, segment HA is congruent to segment EB, and then HD is congruent to DB, and then AD is congruent to DE.
Also, angle H is congruent to angle B because of alternate interior angles given by parallel lines. Angle A is congruent to angle E because it's also alternate interior angles. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 2 because they are vertical angles.
Oh, so what about congruent statements? Well, congruent statements are just statements that say what sides or angles of different triangles are congruent.
Don't forget, Cassie, that your sides and angles have to match up in a congruent triangle statement.
So, in this triangle, you could say, for example, that triangle HAD is congruent to triangle BED. So, Cassie, do you get it now?
Yeah, congruent triangles are really easy.
Yeah, I kind of get it now, but how am I going to use it in real life? Well, just a dream. At least I'm starting to understand congruent triangles now. Wonder who that could be.
Did you order a pizza?
I don't remember ordering a pizza.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. You guys look familiar.
Mamma mia, we're
Yeah,
late.
we're late.
I'm sorry, Cassie. We have more deliveries to make.
Okay then. Oh well. I'm pretty hungry. I could go for a pizza. Whoa, they're congruent triangles in the pizza. Did someone say congruent triangles? Wait, weren't you guys here just a second ago?
I don't know what you're talking about, Cassie.
Well, anyway, it looks like we have a set of congruent triangles.
Remember what we said, Cassie. Remember.
Cassie, remember, you need to mark off all the angles and sides. Okay, so because of reflexive, IZ is congruent to IZ, and then angle 1 is congruent to angle 4 because parallel lines give you congruent alternate interior angles. And then angle 3 is congruent to angle 2 because parallel lines give you congruent alternate interior angles.
Good job, Cassie.
Ew. congruence statement. Remember, your sides and angles need to match up in a congruence statement. Okay, so I'll name this triangle PIZ, and then it's congruent to triangle AZI. So triangle PIZ is congruent to triangle AZI. See, didn't you want a real life situation? But, so wait, you guys were the delivery guys after all?
We still don't know what you're talking about.
Would you guys like some pizza anyway? We sure would.
See, congruent slices of pizza are perfect for sharing.
You're right. I guess you can use this in real life. Right, guys? Okay.